হ্যালো নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু মৌ প্রিন্টস। আপনারা দেখছেন মৌ প্রিন্টস মনের মতো শাড়ি, যে শাড়ি আপনাদের বানায় সম্পূর্ণ নারী। সেই সম্পূর্ণ নারী বানাবার জন্য মৌ আকা দেবশ্রী is here front of you with lots of new designs. These designs are like पुराना बॉटल पे नया ड्रिंक डालने जैसा है। पुराना ही कॉटन है, like it's not पुराना, it is everlasting cotton sari with motifs, hand block printed and beautiful ones. In case you like one of the sari, more than one of the sari, you can purchase it. We are offering online and offline sale. For online sale, 9831575641 is our number. Address 6E Keatala Road, Kolkata 29. Monday to Saturday we are open. You can come down between 11 AM to 7 PM. Address जिन लोगों को जाननी हो, 6E Keatala Road, Kolkata 29. It's very close to Goriahat Gold Park. Once you connect with us through WhatsApp, we will give you the direction. 9831575641 is our number. We ship globally. First, जो cotton साड़ी दिखा रही हूँ, this is a Mangalgiri cotton. Mangalgiri cotton is very famous for its lightness, for its quality, and of course for its ethnicity. ये Mangalgiri cotton के ऊपर block print हुआ है. This is a colorful poppins print, we say. It's popped up so nicely, and this sari is having a blouse piece as well. In case you like the color of the sari and the design of it, you can go along with the sari. The sari will reach to you because we ship globally except Bangladesh. This is the way the sari is. Pallu area of the sari. This is the whole area of the sari. देखिए ये जो distribution of polka dots है, this is done very this is a bubbly sari. This is done with very happiness. This sari can give you more happiness, and this sari is having a blouse piece also. Blouse piece is empty as the whole sari is done with polka dot. This sari can be yours. If you want to know the price and availability, please take a note that you have to take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. The sari is just front of you, beautiful Mangalgiri cotton sari with beautiful popped up poppins print. So in case you like, बचपन पे जो लोग poppins खाए हैं and वो colorful poppins हम लोगों को अभी भी याद है, वो always it's a very joyous experience to have poppins, and this is also a joyous experience. Once you wear the sari, you feel you are 10 years younger. Next sari is a very simple one for teachers. जो टीचर लोगों को रोज साड़ी पहननी होती है एंड सुबह उठ के सोचना पड़ता है आज कौन सा साड़ी पहन के जाओ, जो इजी गोइंग होगा, जो budget friendly होगा, and of course it will give some beautiful look. So that kind of sari is this one. Is pure cotton sari, hand block print. नीचे का जो हिस्सा है वो weaving पे है, and ऊपर का जो हिस्सा जो colorful black and red पे जो बनाया गया है, that is a hand block print. This is the pallu area of the sari. This is the way the whole sari is a really popped up sari. देखिए मैं एक टॉप पहनी हुई हूँ. This top is done by Mo Prints. Mo Prints पे ये colorful top बनी हुई है, and sizes are available. In case you like, you can have a look on this top. We will be guiding you regarding size, and this is the way the sari is, the beautiful sari. इस पे blouse piece नहीं है. Any mix and match blouse you can wear. Of course, it will give a beautiful look. In case you like the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. Next sari, পরের শাড়িটাতে যাচ্ছি. This is also a office going sari, or for a teachers, those who want to wear new designs almost every day to to make yourself look bright and get appreciation from your friends and colleagues. This is the way the sari is. Pure cotton sari, cotton की साड़ी है, hand woven, और उस पे block print किया गया है. This is the way The pallu area is, this is the pallu area of the sari. Pallu को ध्यान पे रखते हुए यहाँ पे marigold print दिया गया है. This is a block printed marigold print which is very bubbly one. Again, this is not polka dot, a marigold print. And this sari is having a blouse piece. The blouse piece is empty as the whole sari is having marigold print. बहुत सुंदर सा साड़ी है. In case you like the sari, you can take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. Beautiful sari for my beautiful queens. All queens are watching. Those who are watching my video, those who are not watching my video but love to see, for them, those who subscribed already, please share with your friends and family, and those who are just waiting, please don't wait. Purchase, like not to purchase, sorry, subscribe the channel जिसपे कोई भी subscription fees नहीं लगता है. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon which is the right hand side of the video. You will be getting all notifications. You can see and order according to your choice. Next जो साड़ी cotton साड़ी है, cotton with blouse piece. Look at the beautiful sari and the beautiful texture. पीछे जो texture बनी हुई है, this is woven one, and ऊपर जो है वो block print पे बनी हुई है. This all are ethnicity at par मैं बोलती हूँ. कोई कोई साड़ी पे बहुत अच्छे से वो जो आपका जो nature of your your attitude, your nature वो दिखाई देता है. So these sarees are for those ladies যারা খুব রুচিশীল, যারা অন্যরকম শাড়ি পরতে ভালোবাসেন, those who wants to wear different kind of sari, budget friendly but different kind of sari which can give you lot of happiness. This is the way the pallu area of the sari, this is the way the whole sari is. In case you like the sari, of course you can purchase, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. The beautiful sari for you, ma'am. In case you like the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. The next sari, পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাবো, again a beautiful sari. This is a cotton woven sari, beautiful quality. Cotton का जो quality है बहुत सुंदर है. बहुत लोगों का क्वेश्चन होता है like cotton साड़ी क्यों प्राइस ही होता है. There is no grammar. जैसा उसका क्वालिटी होगा उसके हिसाब से उसका प्राइसिंग भी होगा. जैसे हमारा करियर डिपेंड करता है what degree we are having, what quality we are having. So this in this case also it's according to the quality, according to the design, the pricing is done. This is a beautiful cotton sari, 100 count, and it is the woven area of the sari. Aanchuler kachta dekhai. This is the beautiful pallu area, and resemble with it. This is the blouse piece of the sari which is matching and giving a beautiful look to you. It's a popped up sari. White in color, white से best color तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. And wherever you go, you will stand out because you are wearing a white color sari. In case you like it, go along with the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. পরের শাড়িটায় যাচ্ছি, next শাড়ি. This is also a woven one, black and white combo दिखाया. So red and white combo नहीं दिखाऊंगी, हो ही नहीं सकता है. Red and white combo, universal combo. This is the way the pallu area of the sari. The whole sari is having छोटा छोटा फ्लोरल मोटिव. देखिए कितनी सुंदर है ये मोटिव. एकदम खुद को खुश कर देने वाली साड़ियाँ है ये. एंड प्राइसिंग ऑल्सो खुश कर देने वाली है. बट प्राइसिंग ऑन रिक्वेस्ट. once you ask for the price and availability, we'll be telling you. This is the way the pallu area and blouse piece also the same. You are getting a beautiful blouse piece. इससे ब्लाउज बनाएंगे और ये साड़ी पहनेंगे तो लोग तो आपको देखते रह जाएंगे. That for sure. Look at the design, simplistic, fashionable, contemporary design from Mom Prints. मोनेर मोतो शाड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण अच्छा लगे तो take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. Next শাড়ি পরে যে শাড়িটা দেখাবো, this is also easy going শাড়ি, খুবই easy going শাড়ি. In case you want to go for your workplace, looking for beautiful sari, please look at our video. Please look at our video. or else you will be missing something very ethnic, very different kind of. So no hurt, there is no point of not looking at the video. Just see in case you like, because money is with you, product is with us. If it meets, you can purchase from us. This is the beautiful pallu area of the sari, and this is the way the whole sari is. Inside of the sari, back सेक्शन ऑफ द साड़ी वीविंग पे है एंड ऊपर का जो हिस्सा है हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंट पे हुआ है. साड़ी को बहुत सुंदर बना दिया ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन. दिस साड़ी कम्स अलोंग विद ब्लाउज पीस. दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस. ब्लाउज पीस एरिया इज एम्प्टी एज द होल साड़ी इज हैविंग print and woven effect. In case you like the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. देखते रहिए more prints मोने मोतो साड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण नारी. लास्ट टू साड़ीज फटाफट दिखा देती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज अ संडे एंड यू ऑल आर बिजी विथ योर ओन टास्क. उसमें से मोंग प्रिंट्स का वीडियो आया तो बहुत ही जल्दी आप देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द वे द साड़ी इज. डाउन सेक्शन ऑफ द साड़ी, द होल साड़ी इज हैविंग पुल्का डॉट, छोटा छोटा पुल्का डॉट. बबली साड़ी दिस वन इज. दिस इज द पल्लू एरिया एंड ऑफ कोर्स द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ द साड़ी इज दिस. इन केस यू लाइक the saree, I know you are liking the saree, but आपके मन में प्रश्न है कि प्राइस क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं. प्राइस ऑन रिक्वेस्ट. ये यू नो कुछ चीजें जब हम बहुत मन से बनाते हैं उसको एक बार पूछने से हर्ज नहीं है. जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, आस्क for the price and availability. We are there to assist you, and those who are my customers, they know we are taking right price for the right product. In case you like the saree, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll be telling you availability and the price. And the last saree for the day, बट साड़ी तो मैं दिखाऊंगी, बहुत सारा साड़ी दिखाऊंगी. जो लोग पहली बार मेरे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, देखते रहिए प्लीज, देखिए सो दैट यू फील नाइस अबाउट साड़ी. साड़ीज तो बहुत देखते हैं, उनमें से ये साड़ी अगर आपको अलग लगे, डिफरेंट लगे, of course you can get connected with us. 9831575641 is our number. This saree is having big polka dots, जिसको 70s पे बॉबी प्रिंट बोला जाता था. बॉबी मूवी के बाद ये प्रिंट बहुत फेमस हुआ, सो नॉर्मली इसको बॉबी प्रिंट बोला जाता है, बट दिस इज कॉल्ड अ पोल्का डॉट एंड इट हैज वोवन. बिल्कुल सुंदर सा इसका जो पल्लू एरिया है, इट्स लाइक दिस. इट हैज अ ब्लाउज पीस. लुक एट द साड़ी. 5.5 मीटर साड़ी comes along with blouse piece. 1 meter of 90 centimeter to 1 meter of blouse piece. Look at the sari. Hopefully you are liking our video, and if you really like our video, take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. Mo is there to help you out, to assist you. My queens, have a very nice Sunday. Have a blast and stay connected with us. Bye bye.